The Supreme Court has given the Trump administration a green light to implement its public charge rule. Critics have dubbed it the wealth test.
This is a disappointing decision from the Supreme Court. It's another attack on poor communities, on communities of color.
It's a sweeping change to legal immigration. Officials will now be able to deny visas or green cards based on the applicant's likelihood that they would enroll in certain public benefits like food stamps, certain federally funded Medicaid programs, and subsidized housing vouchers. Caseworkers will also take into account an applicant's English language proficiency, their age, education, and even their health. Last year, administration officials explained it like this.
Encourages and ensures self-reliance and self-sufficiency for those seeking to come to or to stay in the United States. It will also help promote immigrant success.
The rule was originally set to take effect in October, but it was blocked by a preliminary injunction. Now, in a 5-4 decision along partisan lines, the court lifted that order. Advocates now warn the public charge rule will make even immigrants who are not affected by the rule afraid to use public assistance.
The people that are actually directly impacted by this is very small, so we should remind our immigrant friends and neighbors that in all likelihood, this decision does not affect you.
This is a scare tactic. Trump wants to terrify immigrants, and we shouldn't allow that to happen.
On Twitter, Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez writing, "The American dream isn't a private club with a cover charge." Critics of the president say the rule is un-American, pointing to that poem written on the Statue of Liberty by Emma Lazarus, with the first sentence being, "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses." Meanwhile, supporters of the president say this rule is American, that it is just to ensure immigrant self-sufficiency and make sure that they adapt to American values. In Lower Manhattan, I'm Cristian Benavides, Pix 11 News.